All right, here we are, Sunday, June 21st, 2026. This is a big, well, not big. Well, it's pretty big. It's a sail. I think it's like 12 or 13 feet that way and 18 or 19, 20 feet that way. Let me get a better shot of it here. There it is. And there's my pepper set up there. And what happens is when the sun gets over here a little bit more, I don't have any shade here. This is kind of a big open spot right there, and that sun comes through here. And it gets really hot, really quick. So I want to put the sunshade up. I'm going to use this sail. So my idea was to tie up the corners, which went pretty quickly, actually. I put a line on there. It's not a rope, it's a line when it's on a sail. Remember that. And I put a line on this corner and anchored it. So now I'm going to put these poles here, this one and this one. I'm going to lift it up after I tie this end on over here. It might be a little short. I got to figure out how to get that connected onto there. All right, well, I got the poles set up in there. That was the hardest part of the whole thing. Try to hoist this thing up and see how it goes. Hopefully the camera's not going to fall over. This is going to be awesome. Working a little too good there. I don't even need a pole over there. Wow, that is awesome. It's almost too good. Shading my peppers a little, but when the sun gets up there a little more, it's going to be perfect. Man, that is going to look so cool. This pole's a little long, but that one's locked in really good in a pretty good spot there. It's not straight up and down, but that's going to give it kind of a triangular support, which is going to be a little more stable. Oh man, it's just, look at all that shade. Let's go over there, let's check it out. Because yeah, this gets, no joke, 120 to 140 degrees pretty quick. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Oh, you should come out here and look. Oh, I gotta go out the street and see what it looks like. Oh, it looks cool from in here. Oh, look at all that shade. Beautiful. It's gonna keep it a lot cooler over here. All right, well, there's a little shot of it from the corner over here. All right, as you're coming up the street, you can kind of see a triangle there. Kind of draws your eyes up to it. So yeah, you can see it a little bit in front of the neighbor's driveway now, and yeah, you can kind of see it in there. Pretty cool though, I like it. See what it looks like from over here. Yeah, you can see the line going up there. Yeah, looks like a big sunshade. Cool. I gotta trim this. Gonna take care of this corner. Move some of the rocks out of here. There's a couple big ones in there though. I gotta cut all this grass down next, but man, I love my sunshade. Check it out. Beautiful. Oh, and the exact cost of it was $0 because I got the line and the sale from a customer who was going to throw it out, and I said, oh no, I'll take that. And I had to spend about a half hour yesterday, maybe a little. Oh, let me try not to trip over all this stuff here. But yeah, spent about a half hour pressure washing it, getting it clean. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It had a big black stain in the middle of it, but I Cloroxed the heck out of it. Yeah, it looks pretty darn good actually. Oh, and the shade. Oh man, that is so nice. Beautiful. And I wanted it, I might be able to get it up a little bit higher, maybe just another foot or two, and that the higher it is, the more air you have underneath it. Yeah, that makes sense. So these are in a little bit of shade now, but man, it's hot over here. It's like 95 degrees at least. So they need a little bit. Yeah, look at this guy. I just put this guy in here. So yeah, good thing I put that shade up. It's going to need it today.